Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Jason with Pest Hunter Outdoors, and got my cup of coffee. Go get your coffee, because this might take a little while. What we're going to end up doing tonight is we're actually going to be cooking over fire again. Like I said, they finally lifted the burn ban, so I can actually cook outside again with real wood and charcoal. And tonight's we're going to be doing BBC: beef, bacon, and cheese. All right, three of my favorite things. And with that, let's get down to cooking. Hope you guys can see that there. I'll try not to be in the way as much. What we're going to end up doing is I'm going to do 3 basic burgers just over the fire. I've already pre-seasoned those and made patties out of them. We're going to do that in the basket again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these camper pie makers. I'm just going to make a plain burger in that one there. And this one here, and this one here, we're going to be making just plain burgers. So I adjusted the size for these so I can actually just put the ball of meat in there and squish it in there and set it off right there. Okay? And then I have my big Camp Chef, and this is the one we're going to be doing bacon, beef, and cheese. So we're going to be putting a layer of bacon in here, a small little patty, some Bay Bell cheese, small little patty again, and then more bacon on top of that. Put it in there and squish that and cook it over the fire. We're going to find out how well this works. I have not done this yet before, so this is my first time doing this actual type of meal. So let's check our heat here. Not quite up our hot temperature yet, but it'll get there. Alrighty, I got my basket here. I got it preheating, so this actually helps sterilize it. And then we're going to do 3. We're going to do 3 patties on here, which would be my control. That's what I had left out of all the other patties. So we're going to go ahead and get that started here, and as soon as we get those on there, we're going to go ahead and start the other camper pie makers. So these don't have to be on for very long. Oh yeah, I can hear that sizzle. These will probably cook the fastest. There we go. Alright, now we got it on our trivet, and it'll start to cook now. Go ahead, we'll get this here started. Get that nice and hot. Get those going. Oh yeah, I can smell that already. Now I am using thick slices of bacon for this. Is those turned over? Alrighty. Yeah, those patties are going to be done quick. Alright, that should be hot enough. So we're going to take our first one here. And put our patty in there. And smash it closed. And put that on the fire. Alright, let's get this one here ready. I'm laying the first piece of bacon in there, like so. Put our first patty in. I'm using these Babel little cheeses here. These melt pretty nice. Well, those are almost done, ready to flip over. Yeah, I didn't prep these. And you just peel it off. Open it up. Just like so. And then I'm going to cut it in half. And cut the top piece again. Actually all the way through. Alrighty. So now you got that goodness right there. Put your next patty on. These are a little bit thinner. Put your patty, your other bacon on there. Close it up. Set it on the fire. Get those turned over. Those are going to be done really, really quick. I don't know how long these are going to take because I've never done this before in these. Like I said, it's a simple concept, so we'll find out how it works. Like I said, it doesn't take long. And these baskets here, I've cooked vegetables in them, all kinds of meat. I've done salmon, lots of different fish. I've done largemouth bass. I've done steaks, if you guys have seen. It just makes it easier just to pick it up and just flip it over. If you can find these, get these. They're perfect for camping. Also, the backyard fire pit. Oh yeah, those are already leaking already. Look at that. All those beautiful juices. There we go. Go ahead and just give that a flip over. Start cooking that there. We'll take a peek at it here in a few minutes. If you put it in there hot, it won't stick. Oh yeah. Those will continue cooking. Over here. Get that cleaned off. Oh man, that smells so good. All those spices I put in there. And yes, I do make my own personal rub. Let's take a peek. Nope, not quite ready yet. There we go. Now it's locked. Yeah, I've had this camper pie maker now 25 years, maybe a little bit longer. I've only bought this one here recently. I like the round ones because the corners don't get cooked on the overcooked like on the square ones. Alright guys, now we can continue to cook here. Alright guys, we'll come back when it's ready. Okay, we're going to go ahead and check on this now. Oh, look at that. Oh. Look at that. Let's flip this over. Stuck a little bit, but that's okay. Just put this on the sheet. We're going to take a look at it. There we go. Keep that hot. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that smells so good. Alright guys, let's go ahead and finish this up and we'll do a follow-up here in a minute. Alright guys, we go ahead and cut this one open. Let's see how it is. And sadly, very little cheese in there, but oh yeah, look at that. Let's take a bite. Oh yeah, this is definitely a do-over. Oh, one more bite. That is good. That is so good. I probably didn't need to add the cheese to it, but man, that is good. Put little peppers and little onions in there next time. Mix it in there and then cook it that way. Almost like a Salisbury steak or a what was it? Oh shoot, what's the word I'm thinking of? The name? The meatloaf, like a meatloaf patty. Oh man, hold on a minute. Hold on. Oh yeah. Don't eat a bun with that. That is straight up goodness. Well, anyway, guys, if you guys love this type of cooking for me doing outdoors, please leave a comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, and I can do a lot more. Alright guys, with that, I'll catch everybody on the next video.